So I got it. I copped an Aura Black Note 10 Plus this morning, and although 41% of you said you'd actually want to see this phone, I just said, you know, f it. There's a demographic of people that want to see this phone, you know, tested, reviewed, compared, etc. I cannot wait to get to using this phone on the daily. But in the meantime, here is a quick little unboxing that I did the minute I got home. You know, I hastily set everything up so I can just rip the box open and get to using this awesome device. So I guess I'll continue my regular shtick here. I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or opinions, as the algorithm likes it and will help push my videos to more people. So yeah, without further ado, for those of you who wanted to watch this, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, so I literally just got back from Best Buy, hastily set this up so we can unbox my Aura Black Note 10 Plus here. I'm very excited, so let's get this plastic on the back. There we go. I'm gonna pull this off, and here is the Note 10 Plus. Let's lift it out, and let's just take a look here real quick. This is a very pretty phone, even in the black. I wanted the Aura, they didn't have the Aura. But honestly, I'm not too mad. The black color is very, very stealthy and very nice to look at. This phone is really, really clean. So let's take the plastic off here. Low. In the box here, we have some AKG headphones and a super fast charger. We also have the USB Type-C cable, I assume, here. We also get a USB Type-C to USB-A adapter, so that is pretty interesting. And what else is in here? Is there anything else? No. That is all for what's in the box here. Let's just turn on the phone real quick. So let's get to the phone here. Let's turn it on. Where's the power button? Oh, it's now on the left side, so that's really interesting. We also have the S Pen. So let's pull that out here, and here it is. So they're already having Bixby help me out here. I actually really like this design. It looks pretty futuristic. The bezels are just so tiny, and the Infinity O display just looks really cool. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I think that Samsung has done an excellent job with this display. And it's just like, I like the rounded corners too. It's just a really nice looking device. It's like a more futuristic S10. So I'm setting up my fingerprint here with the ultrasonic under display fingerprint sensor with the Note 10. That actually started with the S10, so that is an interesting experience. I'm getting some haptic feedback as I do it too. And we're almost done. Get a full scan. And there we go, my fingerprint has been added. So now I'm in the phone. Here we go. Right off the bat, I don't know why the icons have to be this humongous. It's just kind of weird to me. I'm gonna bring up the resolution to WQHD and apply. I'm also gonna go to font size. I'm gonna bring it smaller, good. App screen grid, and I'm gonna make it a 5x6 grid. And click apply. Home screen grid. There we go, that's 5x6, perfect. Apply. So yeah guys, this has been my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I hope this was enjoyable. I hope this was entertaining, whatever. I'll be testing the hell out of this phone. I'll be comparing it to my iPhone, to the OnePlus 7 Pro. We'll be doing camera tests and a bunch of other videos, so stay tuned for that if you're interested. And that about wraps us up. I hope this was enjoyable to you. I will definitely have a first impressions video coming very soon. Also comparison videos, tests, and an ultimate full review coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I'd really appreciate it if you'd leave a like in this video, comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or opinions, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.